All right, what's up, 8th graders? So I'm going to show you how to solve systems of equations by doing the substitution method. Just going to do a few problems, and if you need any help, let me know. So let's do number one. So what we know is that y equals 7x minus 10, and we also know that y equals negative 3. So because we know that y is negative 3, we can plug everywhere into this top equation, where everywhere you see a y, we can plug in a negative 3. So we see a y at the beginning, so we're going to do negative 3 equals 7x minus 10. Okay, and now you're just going to do our process of solving linear equations. And so we are going to combine like terms, and because we're crossing the wall, I'm going to add 10 on both sides. So add 10 on this side to get rid of that 10. And so you'll be left with 7 equals 7x. Oops. And then, of course, you're going to do that last step where we divide everything. That's a big line, I'm sorry. But we're going to divide everything by 7 to get x alone. And x is going to equal 1. All right, let's go ahead and go down to a few more difficult problems where we'll actually kind of have to work our way toward get a variable. So let's do question 9. And question 9 says y equals negative 8x, and then we also have the equation 2x plus 4y equals 0. So we have to solve for both x and y. So actually, let me come back up here really fast. In order to figure out what y is, or never mind, I'm sorry, that one's good. So here, since we know that y equals negative 8x, everywhere you see y, we can plug in negative 8x. And this is how you do that. So 2x plus 4, oh, we have a y. So we're going to put that in parentheses because it's 4 times y. And so parentheses mean multiplication. So we're going to go ahead and put that in parentheses, which is going to be negative 8x, because that's what y is, equals 0. And now we can slowly do our process of distributive property, combine like terms, and then isolate that variable. So we're going to distribute this 4 in. So we're going to be left with 2x minus, because 4 times negative 8x is going to be negative 32x equals 0. We can still combine those like terms, so we're going to be left with negative 30x equals 0. And then, of course, we can divide. Let me lower my font. We can divide everything by negative 30 on both sides to get x isolated. And so x in this problem is going to equal 0, but we still have to find y. And so once we have x, we can plug it back into our original equation and solve. And so y equals negative 8. Oh, we have an x, so let's plug in 0 because that's what we know what it is. And then we can solve for y. Well, negative 8 times 0 is, in fact, 0. And so now we have our two coordinates, right? We have 0 and 0, and so when x is 0, y is 0. And we can kind of scroll down to make sure we got it correct, and we did. All right, y'all, if you have any questions after this and need more support, call me or email me, and I will make sure I can help you. All right, have a great day, you guys.